Stuteville is definitely a good place to work.
I help automotive service technicians get jobs at Oklahoma Ford dealers. I'm the Ford Dealers of Oklahoma's technical recruiting liaison. I facilitate and initiate the hiring process. If you or someone you know would like more information, please contact me at 918-928-7433. Email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Now let's get back to it. I'm here at Stuteville Ford in Ponca City. I'm here with Bryan, and we're going to talk to Bryan a little bit. Bryan, how long have you been with Stuteville?
I've been at Stuteville since February this year.
Since February this year, and this is July, so about 5-6 months.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what do you think of Stuteville?
Stuteville is a good place to work. There's great people, and there's always opportunities to be done if you're willing to go through it to get here. You know?
So there's lots of training.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yeah.
Constantly getting to train.
Yeah.
So last week I was here on Wednesday, you guys was training on something from BG, is that correct?
Yeah, to flush the AC units, to clean them out, to get them to blow better and all that.
So there's constantly training coming at you every day on the Ford vehicles, correct?
Yes, sir. We get trained, since I've been here, I've been trained on like 3 or 4 different things. Counting the BG, we just got trained on.
Yeah. So you work mainly in the lube and
yes, sir. I'm a lube tech back here.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So there's other opportunities in the shop like engine performance, transmissions, differentials, gas engine repair, diesel repair. Any of those interest you for your next?
Well, the diesel repairs really interest me. I've talked to Ronnie about it. You know, we're gonna see about setting up a plan to see if I can get schooling and move on with my technician career. So I'm very excited about that.
Cool. So there's a big opportunity in the diesel.
Yeah, Fords. They're definitely good to work on. You know, I enjoy working on Fords. I'm not a real big Chevy guy, but I work on Fords pretty well. I own a Ford F-150. It's got almost 200,000 miles on it. It still runs like a charm. So.
What year?
It's 2003.
2003. You got the old body or the new body style?
I think it's the old body. It's the step side.
Okay, so it's got the rounded hood?
Yes, sir. As long as you take care of your vehicles, they'll take care of you.
Yeah, so working here in the lube department, you've gotten to work with everybody in the shop. You've already said it's a great place to work.
Yeah.
So what do you feel about this atmosphere? What's great?
The atmosphere is great, okay? Like, if you ever have an issue with a problem or a situation on a vehicle that you don't know about, you can easily go ask anybody and they'll come over and take time out of their day to help explain it to you and help you fix whatever it is. This is not only is this a good place to work, but it's more like family here.
More like family.
Yes, sir.
So when I got here this morning, you was off helping somebody do something totally different than what you normally do, is that correct?
Me and another lube tech was pulling engines from part room and putting it in the UBI room.
So real teamwork atmosphere.
Yes, sir.
Everybody needs help, so everybody's willing to pitch in.
Yes, sir.
It's really cool. So you're from Ponca City area.
Yep, born and raised.
So what do you like to do around here? What's great about Ponca City area?
Well, to me, it's really the fishing. I'm a big fisher. I love being out there on the water with nothing but just the breeze and a fishing pole in the water. You know, and we got a good couple lakes here. We got Call Lake right, maybe 10, 15 miles from here. We got Ponca Lake right here in the city limits. And we got many rivers from here in between there. Chikaskey, Arkansas. So they're all pretty good places to fish.
So what kind is your favorite fishing to go after?
Mine's is the blues, just because how big of a fight they put up. They don't get very often. They don't get as big as channels and flatheads, but they put up a real good fight.
So you fish blues mainly in the lake, or you fish for them in the river? Or?
And I fish for the river. My favorite river is the Chickasaw River. You know, it's going towards Stonkawa out here out of town. It's one of my favorite places to fish.
So you got a boat you fish out of? You fish off the bank?
No, I fish off the bank.
What about Ponca City itself? What's cool about Ponca City? What attractions do they have?
Ponca City has that good small town vibe. You know, everybody really knows everybody. We got a good couple. We have an arcade game. It's called the Hub. It's right outside towards Tonkawa area, and it's got bowling, arcade games for the kids. There's a bunch of things you can do there. It's a good family event for sure.
Is there any casinos around?
We have Osage Casino going towards Stillwater. I think it's on 60. It's a hotel, resort, a good place to gamble, a good place to have fun. You know, got a hot tub, pool, everything you'd ask for. It's definitely a getaway. The one I know of that's the water park is actually towards outside of Newkirk, or by outside of Newkirk towards Kansas. and it's 7 clans, and they got the indoor water park. I've personally been once or twice, and it's phenomenal.
Yeah. All right, Brian, I sure appreciate you. Got anything to add?
It's a good place to work.
Good place to work.
Stuteville is definitely a good place to work.
Thank you for doing this interview,
Yep.
and I look forward to seeing you in the future.
All right, thank you, sir.